Hi guys, so today we will be discussing about the new setup guide on GMD, which contains the version of 2.4.0 and also the PWA. Okay, so first thing is there are two categories or types right here. We have the GWT material archetype and also the GWT material PWA archetype that we're going to set up. Okay, so first thing is this version includes the GWT version to 2.9.0 and also the jQuery version to 3.5.1 and the GMD version to 2.4.0. So you can skip these four steps because our the this project was installed already on the Nexus Sonatype, so you don't need them. So let's just copy this and then go to your open up your command prompt or terminal. So right here, let's go directly to the folder that we're installing your first application. So next thing is we need to check the version of our Maven just to make sure you have installed them. So if you don't, then you can just Google it and then search how to install the Maven, and make sure you have the GDK installed also. Okay, and let's paste the how you could use the command generate archetype here. Make sure you have entered or copied the command correctly because it will fail. Okay, so let's hit enter. Let's just maximize this. And then yeah, so you need to define your group ID. So GitHub my company, so it's a unique name. And also this one, your artifact ID, my first app, for example, and the package should be the same as the depends on you, so you can change it. So my first app and module name, project name should be the same, and then click yes. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So if you go to your my first app, then yeah, so you have the POM XML and also the source. Okay, and then what you can just do right here is we need to install it. Okay, so it will compile the application, run the tests. Okay, so you have that. And then what you can just do is to run the application using mvn git dev mode. So as easy as it is. So launch your default browser and then you're compiling your first application, and boom, so you have the git material installed, so you can start uh, using the git material, the git material core widgets or even the add-ins or data table or the charts right here. So that's it. So that's how you incorporate this. Second thing is we need to open this up into IntelliJ just to make use of the code. It depends. You can use Eclipse or any IDEs right here, but right there. But we can just open this up and open the project. So it was on the tutorial, and then my first up. Open this up. Open as a project. Let's close this. Close everything that we've done, and then right here. So yeah, so it was adding it as a Maven project. So you can see the source code right here, client application home. Yep. Okay, and then what you just need to do is to add a configuration. You have the grid configuration right there. My first app, right? Oh, and then let's define the module and click apply. Okay, and then you have there, and you have here thing here, the run icon. Let's just run it. Okay, So same thing, but this one we're using the IDE to how you call this, to run your application. So we have here, you have settings and also the home. You can change that, for example here. So this is the UI binder, so you can, this is my first app. Okay, and let's refresh the page, and there you go. So you have your first application using the GMD 2.4.0. Okay, so stay tuned for the next tutorial, which is the PWA installation. Okay, thanks.